So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to delete recorded audio here on InShot. So if I were to go ahead and just record some audio right here, so I'll go ahead and press on audio and then record, and then I'll just go ahead and record some audio, recorded audio. That's my example. Now, if you want to delete it, the simplest way is if you haven't already done that, you can go ahead and press the X right here. But let's say, for example, you want to record it, recorded audio, and then you press on the check mark right here. So if I were to go ahead and play it, recorded audio, and you don't like how it sounds, press on the audio right here, slide this bar to where it says delete, press the check mark, and there you go. It is now gone. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can delete recorded audio here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.